Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to be learning about list comprehensions with conditionals, which we can use to filter out some elements while we're putting them into a new list using list comprehensions. So let's say you've got some ages of your friends and you want to get only the odd ages. You could do something like odds equal age for age in ages. And that is a list comprehension that puts the value age for age, which is the new variable you're creating, in the ages list. So it's going to put every age in the ages list into a new list that you're calling odds. What you can do is, if you wanted to get only the odd ages, you can actually put an if statement at the end. If age modulus 2 equal 1. And what this is going to do is it's going to put this value into the new list if this conditional is true. And if this conditional is false, then it's not going to put the value in. So if we run that, you'll see 35, 27, and 21, which are the odd ages in the original list. Now, I appreciate that as soon as you start putting conditionals into a list comprehension, it does get a little bit more cluttered because you have the for keyword, in keyword, and if keyword all in one line. So something you have to be careful with when you're writing list comprehensions is that if it's getting too long and too complicated, you can split things out and move them outside the list comprehension, or you can just use a normal for loop like we learned in the last video to add to a new list. That can reduce the cognitive load on your brain because it can make the code a bit easier to read. So list comprehensions are good when they are kept simple and they help your code, but if they're too complicated, they can actually detract from your code. Let's say you've got the names of some friends and they are in a mix of uppercase and lowercase spelling, and then you've got another list